Sa sarili nyo. Guys, hey, mag-uumpisa yan sa sarili nyo. Pag gusto nyo yan, ha? Tara, tara.
Alright, let's go. Second quarter or second half.
Wala kang help, ha? Wala kang help. Wala kang help. Wala kang help. Fight screen, ha? Fight screen ka. Wala kang help.
Boy. C and 1. Nahanap ang mismatch doon eh, C. Change favor, lamang ang savior ng isa. Bonus shot for a 3-point play by C. Basket for C. 2-point lead for Xavier. Oh.
Next play. Hey. 11 special. Next na sa guard. Masyado mag-show sa super stopper dito sa number 3. One more. Ilang. One time, mataas.
Cheng. Kick out, Kobe Ngui, top of the key, short. And out of bounds. 4-3, no good. Cacho, no. Rebound by Jordan. Here comes C. Pass to Cheng. Cheng, block by Cacho. Cacho to Somchi. And Somchi and 1.
Hindi tayo malakas sa commissioner.
38 all. Our 6 deadlock. Jordan to C. 4-3. No good. Uy! Gobeng Huy! Walang tawag ang ating referee doon. Here comes Dylan. Pass to Somchi. Som attacking the basket. No. Rebound ng Xavier. Here comes Jordan. Jordan, pick. Running shot. That's a traveling violation. Goes on. Guerzon attacking the basket. No rebound. That's a foul. That's a pushing foul. For Somchi. Sub. Okay, coming in.
Dio, sa'yo yan! Walang help yan! Sundot! Drop ka lang, bote! Hindi naman shooter yan!
Jordan.
Go take up.
Steal by Quezon. Gets the foul. Oh, good. Rebound by Somchi. Somchi to Sam. Dylan. Strong drive. Too strong. Oh, good. Rebound by Sam. Outlet pass. Galanatan. Pass to Guarzon. Fake. Out of bound. Last touch.
Okay. Jump. Kick out niya ng
6 minutes and 18 seconds. Dylan, Sam. Spin. No. Rebound by Flores. Cheng. Tui. Fade away shot. No. Rebound by Sam.
Sayo!
Ebanes na bitawan. Ebanes spin move. Tumira wala. Rebound by Vergara. Vergara to Flores. Flores. Oh, block by Dylan. Oh, block again. Rebound by Bote. Bote to Sam. Pass to Ibanez. Ibanez kick out. Kalanatan. Bote 4-3. Oh!
Kaya na naman yan, oh!
Alright, technical ball for Lasal Green Hills for sportsman behavior.
Ay, naku. Ay. Binababoy nyo naman.
Focus, okay.
Binababoy nyo.
Hindi natin control yung tawag, sige. Go.
Binababoy nyo.
Vergara.
Kita na kasi. Kitik sino na. Kaya di naman tayo bulak. Yes.
Our 7 deadlock. Handoff. Vergara. No good. Rebound. Sam to Ibanez. Ibanez and gets the foul.
Stop.
Somchi coming in.
Pahinga. Nox tayo.
No, pasok. Tiyo. Focus kita.
Sige, sige.
Sub, pwede?
Tiyo. Ba't ganito?
Check naman.
Time remaining 4 minutes and 37 seconds. Shooting the line, jersey number 45, Ibanez. First shot is good.
Kailangan tayo, pass back tayo doon.
Second shot is good for Ibanez, 2 for 2. Jordan Yang coming in for
Hey, hop.
Vergara.
Bro. Pressure mo, Legend.
Tyrese. Flores to see. Cheng. We to see. See. Oh. Ibanez.
Bigay mo. Slide, tabi.
Obligar. Bote. What an extra pass. Tumira sa tres. No. Xavier School.
Sige lang. Next play dito. Ayaw.
This is our 8 deadlock. 43 all. Uy, good. Steal. Galanatan. Bad pass. Steal. By Tyrese. Flores. May tangan na bola. Flores. Floater. Bola. Rebound by Ibanez. Ibanez. Oh, that's a foul by Flores.
Ano tayo? E. Pagka naglagpas A tayo. EA.
Baba.
Obligar looking for his teammate. Pass to Bote. Bote. Fake. Kick out. Pass to Somchi. Fake. Somchi with a strong drive. Fusing the glass. Basket is good. See, fadeaway shot, no good. Rebound by Somchi. Somchi. Pass to Obligar.
Pwede.
Swing.
Pass to Galanatan. Tan, top of the key for 3. Yes, sir! Para sa 3. Galanatan. Ayan na, si C. Oy, C! Looking for his teammate. At hindi siya binugo doon ni C. Ayan na, Obligar. Pass to Ibanez. Pass to Obligar. Setting on the play. Pass to Galanatan. Galano to Somchi. Somchi. Ooh! Gets the foul. Time remaining 2 minutes and 11 seconds.
Okay.
Bote. Pass to Ibanez. Ibanez crossover. Jump shot. No. Rebound by Sia. Tyrese. Outlet pass. Oh, bad pass. Time remaining 1 minute and 56 seconds.
Simper. Sam, go. Simper.
Obligar.
Sam.
Pass to Galanatan. Galanatan for 3. In and out. Rebound by Tyrese. Pass to Flores. To Tyrese. Tyrese spin. Oh, steal. And gets the foul.
Bote.
Foul number 88. Tyrese Tang.
Tayo. Huwag mong bitawan. Advantage, roll.
Nice ball. 2 shots.
2 shots.
That's 14 foul.
Lapit. Sam. Hidden.
Shooting at the line, jersey number 2, Obligar.
Ikaw, Aiden, abang ka lang sa dunkers na.
Second shot for Obligar. Basket. 2 for 2. Ah, sorry. Isa lang pala, sorry.
Elbow sa kabila. Ilalim.
Last ball possession.
Go, Nigel!
Sal Green Hills Basketball. Somchi at the post. Somchi! Uy! Ay, manti ka na. It's a foul on the free throw area once again. Somchi Samuel. That is third personal foul.
Take time.
First shot is good for Sam.
Wala tayong play pa.
Somchi, no. Rebound.
Defense!
Tyrese.
Boy, 8 seconds!
Drop down.
Chen, see? Oh!
Next play.
Shooting in the line, jersey number 23, Jordan Yang.
Push tayo, push.
Wala. Second shot for Jordan Yang. Basket.
Stop! Pio. Bote. Dalawang guards kayo dyan, ha? Hey! Zipper!
Relax.
Obligar.
Execute.
Hand off to Gorzon. Kick out.
One more attack.
Kalanatan. Pass to Somchi for 3. 3-point for Samuel Somchi.
Okay lang. Wala na foul. Penalty.
That is third team foul of LaSalle. Xavier under penalty situation. Last 47 seconds. Flores. Pass to D to Flores. Setting on the screen. Flores nabitawan. Steal by Samuel. Somchi nagmamadali. Somchi all the way. Basket.
No foul.
And Tyrese. Pass to Flores. To D. D nabitawan. Steal by Obligar. And gets a foul. Penalty.
Penalty sila. Dalawa.
Wala advantage.
2 shots para kay Obligar.
Choke tayo.
Jersey number 2 on the free throw area.
89 tayo.
Last 15 seconds sa ating third quarter.
Babalik sa
Penalty tayo. No foul ha.
First shot is good
Penalty. No
for
foul.
Obligar.
Pag nakashoot, okay lang.
Second shot for Obligar. No. Rebound by Cheng. Sorry, that's Flores. Ayun na. Nakatawid. Tyrese with the ball. Tyrese. Pinasa loob. D. 4-2. Wala. Rebound. Makuha. And that's the end of our third quarter. Official score 56-46 in favor of LaSalle Green Hills. Alright, tayo dadako na sa ating exciting part ng game, ang fourth and last quarter. 10-point lead para sa guest team, ang LaSalle Green Hills. Sino kaya ang tatanghaling kampiyon this season ng 2025 to 2026 sa ating Paya League? Okay, back to the ball game. Tied it out na sa ating fourth.
Sorry boss, sorry boss. Akin.
Fourth quarter, let's go.
Doon sa kabila! Go, Kevin!
Obligar.
Yan! Alas!
Pass to Somchi, kick out.
Sama! Bigay!
Bigay mo!
Ibanez. Nabitawan, steal. Vergara to Jordan, all the way. Basket for Jordan. Yang. Rep, di ko makita rep. Ayan, bola dito. Ibanez. Ibanez, hand off. Ayan na, Guerzon, kick out. 4-3. Too strong. Rebound by Somchi. Pass to Ibanez. Pass to Paras. 4-3. Short. Rebound by Gobinghoy. Pass to Vergara. To Jordan. Jordan, bigay. Ayan na, double. Oh, steal. Monty ka na. Naka-recover. Cheng using the glass. Basket. Time out. Lasal Green Hills. Tingnan natin, hadal ng Lasal. Alright, back to the ball game. Time remaining 8 minutes and 59 seconds. Obligar. Pass to Somchi. Crossover. Somchi and one. Wala. Tama ba?
Next play!
Walang tawag ang ating referee. Hindi siya end one. Sa baba pa lang daw po.
Na! No! Sam!
Sam! Bigay!
Kalanatan. Somchi. Top of the key for 3. No. What a save by Sam Milan. Paras. Good hustle.
O sige, pwede
Same
yan,
ball
boss.
tayo dito.
O sige, line!
Sino tatanggap? Kick out to Somchi. Somchi crossover. Binigay. Galanatan. Top of the key. Kick out. Ayan na. Guerzon. Spin. Uy, binali ni Guerzon. 58. Balik sa walo ang lamang ng Lasal. Steal by Sam. Pass to Galano. Galanatan waiting for his teammate. Setting on the play. Galanatan. Ayan na. Pass to Guerzon. Setting on the screen. Guerzon attacking the basket. Block. Paras with a putback. Time out. Xavier School. What a nice shot there for LaSalle. Tignan natin ang huddle ng Xavier. With the time remaining 7 minutes and 50 seconds. Alright, back to the ball game tayo. Let's go. Seven minutes and 50 seconds.
Yes, boy. A lang, A lang. A lang. Hello.
Let's
A
go.
lang, A lang. Double, double, double.
Munti ka na magawan. Oy! What a hassle! Yun lang. Out of bounds. Same ball.
A lang, pero binay ka. A lang, pero binay ka. Wala kang
7 minutes and 37 seconds. Bola ng Xavier.
binay. Huwag ka.
Hoy, Gobeng Hoy, may tanga ng bola. Binigay sa corner. Here comes Vergara. Blocked by Somchi. Cheng will recover. Steal by Galanatan. Galanatan handoff to Esomchi. Top of the key for 3. In and out. Rebound. Makuha ng Xavier. Here comes Wee. Oh, steal by Esomchi. Pass to Sam. Dylan. Strong drive. No. Rebound by Wee. Ooh.
Go down.
Gets the foul.
Guys, di na tayo nagmamadali. Di na tayo nagmamadali.
Half, tayo bagsak. Tayo bagsak. Hey, may cross matches yan, ha?
Bola rito ng Xavier.
Hindi tayo to, sa'yo na to.
Tyrese. Pass to Jordan. Ayan ang double team. Tyrese kick out from the corner. Back to Tyrese. Tyrese binigay. Gobeng Huy. At the middle, he get the basket. Guerzon. Pass to Sam. Dylan nagmamadali. Hand up to Somchi. Pass to Obligar. Obligar to Galanatan. Pass to Obligar. Pass to Sam. At the post, nabitawan. Steal by Wee. Ayan na, Tyrese. May tanga na bola. Tyrese. Back to Gobeng Huy. Top of the key for 3. Short rebound by Esomchi. Esomchi and gets the foul.
Sabi ko, zipper.
By Wee. Time remaining, last 6 minutes and 18 seconds.
Go, sa paras.
Obligar. May tanga na bola.
Yan, bigay mo.
Pass to Sam. One-on-one at the post. Paras, fadeaway shot, short. Rebound by Vergara. Pass to Tyrese. Tyrese, steal by Golano. Steal by Sam. Ayan na si Obligar. May tanga na bola. Obligar. Good. Pass to Esomchi. Pass to Obligar. Obligar. Oh! Offensive foul. Para kay Sam. Paras. That is third personal foul. Sam Paras.
O yan, explain. Depensa.
Oy! Tyrese lang! With a spin move and gets the basket. Baba sa anim ang lamang ng LaSalle. Ayan na. Obligar. Pass to Sam. Munti ka na magawan at nagawan na. Jordan nagmamadali. Jordan. tumira and gets the foul.
No. No.
Okay pa, usap. Let's play.
Hey, press break. Tingnan ako anong press nila.
Shooting at the line, jersey number 23, Jordan Yang. First shot is good for Jordan Yang. Baba sa 5 ang lamang ng Lasal. Second shot for Jordan.
Press break, Aiden.
Sa lane violation. Esomchi. Pass to Ibanez. Ibanez to Sam. Esomchi. Pass to Guarzon. Reverse layup. Oy, no good. Rebound ng Xavier. Here comes Tyrese. Tyrese, spin. Crossover, Tyrese. Kick out. We top of the key for 3. No. Tyrese, wala pa rin. Rebound. Oh! And gets the foul. Number 6, that is fourth.
Coach, apat na. Sino?
Sam. 6, Sam.
Takas, fourth pa. Okay, go. Samparan.
Second shot for C. Wala. Sub.
Angel, kung muna ka sa rebound ha. 4 ka na kayo din.
Press break, press break.
Guarzon, may tanga na bola. Guarzon. Pass to Sam. Esomchi with a strong drive. Kick out. Bote, 4-3. Bam! Di pa tapos ang laban. Mahaba pa to. Uy, pass to Jordan. At nakalusot. Jordan Yang. At may sagot dito agad ang Xavier. Here comes Guarzon. Pass to Esomchi. Esomchi. Kick out. Bote. Fake. Binigay. Galanatan for 3. No. Rebound by Tyrese. Tyrese nagmamadali. Binigay. Jordan. Oh.
Out na dalawang free throw. Baka time out.
Oh, time out daw.
Wag na lang.
Wag.
Hey. Hey. Shots. Ilan tayo baba ha? Ibagsak ng tayo. Ibagsak.
11 special.
11 special.
Shooting at the line, jersey number 23, Jordan Yang. First shot is good. Second shot for Jordan. 2 for 2. 59-63. Baba sa 4 ang lamang ng Lasal. Bote. Pass to. Uy! Out of bounds. Xavier School Basketball. Vergara. Pass to Flores. Flores will recover. Pass to Vergara. 4-3. In and out. Rebound by Paras. Pass to Somchi. To Guerzon. No, sorry, that's Galanotan. Hand off to Somchi. Setting on the play. Pass to post. And gets the foul by Go Big Hoy.
Zipper! Zipper!
Euro!
Bigay! Bigay!
Somchi. Pass to Somchi. Galanotan. Pull up J. No. Rebound by Flores. Pass to Jordan. Ying, may tanga na bola. Jordan, sidestep. Oh! Foul number 6. Graduate. By Sam para substitution. Ibanez coming in. On the free throw area, jersey number
Basket time out ako,
23.
boss, ha? Second basket.
For a shot for Jordan. Basket. Time remaining po natin, 2 minutes and 54 seconds. Second shot for Jordan. Ooh! Time out. Time out, LaSalle Green Hills. Alright, back to the ball game. Somchi. May tanga ng bola. Pass to Bote. Bote na itawid. To Somchi. Somchi. Drop pass. Ibanez. Looking for Somchi. Balik sa limang-lamang. Naglasal. Jordan. Crossover. Jordan. Up and under. Binale. And my foul. That's a pushing foul. In the free throw area, jersey number 23, Jordan Yang.
Boy stepping.
Basket for Jordan. Second shot, basket. 2 for 2 for Jordan. Time remaining 2 minutes and 22 seconds. Somchi, pass the Bote. Oh, gets a foul. That is third team foul. Wala po tayong penalty. LaSalle Green Hills under penalty situation. Somchi with the inbound. Pass to Guerzon. To Somchi. Bote. Oy! Still, oy! Ayan na, pinigay. Jordan and gets the foul.
Nakahiga dito sa front court. Pinasa niya. Tumalong papuntang back court. Ibaba.
Sub. Obligar coming in for Bote. Time remaining 2 minutes and 9 seconds. First shot para Jordan, no good.
Kaiden, flasher ka dapat eh. Hoy, hawa!
Kalanatan, pass to Obligar, pass to Somchi. Isolation para kay Flores. Somchi, kick out. Kalanatan, no, sorry, Ibanez, no, rebound. Ayan na, Tyrese, 2 against 1. Tyrese, no, rebound. Cheng with a putback.
Ang hirap sa'yo, Kaiden eh. Wala namin dapat, walang, ano yun na tayo, sa kanila yan. Sa kanila dapat.
Kung nagmadali kami. Tayo, Aiden, good shot. Good shot yun. Ate!
65-64. Bola rito ng Lasal. Somchi. Pass to Galanatan. Pass to Somchi. Somchi, naitawid. Obligar, steal by Flores. Steal. Pass Cheng, may taka ng bola. Cheng, pass to Gobinhoy. Flores to Cheng, setting on the play. Cheng, spin. Cheng, running shot, nakalusot. Time out. Wala. Change favor. Lasal basketball. Person. Pass to Galanatan. Somchi spin. Somchi tumira. Basket para kay Somchi. Change favor. Time out. Xavier. Alright, back to the ball game tayo. Let's go.
Oo, sige.
Nakahihinga tapos nakasin yung cancel right away. Okay.
Okay, last 1 minute and 1 seconds.
Oy, 14, shot back, 14. Shot back, 14.
Ayun na. Jordan, may tanga ng bola. Stop and pump. No, pasa pala yun. Si block by Esomchi. And gets a foul. Penalty. Both teams under penalty situation. Time remaining, last 48.39 seconds on the free throw area. Crucial free throw para kay Samuel Esomchi. First shot is good. 68-66, 2-point lead para sa Lasal.
Diyan lang. Okay na yan. Sige.
Second
Sabay
shot
isa lang.
for Lasal. Esomchi. Crucial free throw, 2 for 2. 69-66, 3-point lead para sa Lasal. Last 48 seconds. Ayan na. Jordan with the ball. Jordan attacking the basket. Nakalipad doon si Jordan. 68-69. Esomchi still. Same ball. Timeout. Lasal. Green Hills.
Timeout.
Alright, back to the ball game. .57 seconds remaining. Isa lamang ng Lasal. Bola rito ng mga naka-green. Okay, let's go.
Ayusin yun. Ilang pwede pamilya. Oo.
Ayan na. Magkakalaman na tayo sa dulo. True rivalry talaga ang labang to. Ayan na, bola rito. Makukuha.